At the welcome party here. Hi.
One at a time. That's what I started out the last time.
I promise. You're gonna have a good home. You're gonna be happy. You're gonna live happy lives. You're gonna enjoy yourselves, I promise. It's your brother coming. My 3 boys. Look, your brother's here. Thank you, miss.
He was the one that didn't like the best at all. The other one just sat there.
You did good job, buddy. You did a great job. You look brand new. You look brand new, my sweetheart. Hello, you joining the party? Yeah, my sweet boy. Who's my sweet boy? My sweet boys. My sweet boys. My handsome boys. On our way to a new life. Baby's first car ride.